Dang, bro. A lot of stuff.
So this is the table. I just want to show you guys what it looks like from Carlos's perspective. I literally went through my routine and grabbed a few of each category and just kind of scattered it all here because he's a true makeup artist. So we also have 2 baskets of makeup brushes that I don't use too often just in case my makeup artist does ruin it. But yeah, so these are the items and just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes preview.
What is this? Is this for your nipples?
This is not for your nipples. This is for you to blend.
Oh.
Yeah, so you can use this to blend if you want. They're brand new.
Okay. I know how to do that.
Blend nipples?
No.
Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video for you guys. It's the boyfriend does my makeup tag. My subscribers have told me that I'm not allowed to help Carlos, but since I am a very nice girlfriend, I have decided that he is allowed 3 questions in this whole entire video.
Yes.
Okay?
What goes first?
Is that your first question?
Yeah.
The first thing I usually do is moisturize. Moisturize.
This feels wet. Do I moisturize with this?
What's that?
I don't know. It's a spongy looking thing.
I don't know.
Do I moisturize with this?
You're only allowed 3. You're
I don't know.
You're only allowed 3 questions.
Okay.
Don't use all 3 of your questions at the beginning of the video.
No, I think once I get started, I'll be good.
Okay. So first we have to moisturize.
What's moisturize? I know what moisturize is, but like, what do you do to moisturize? That's my second question, and then from there, I'll be good.
Okay. Moisturize. It's what you use after you wash your face. You put lotion on. It's lotion. It's like a cream or a lotion to give your face hydration.
I don't see the lotion though. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. I'll just do that while I figure out.
Okay.
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice and wet.
Oh my god. Is this it? God, everything is so is this how it feels like for some girls when they watch sports and stuff?
This is how I feel when you play Call of Duty.
So this is Touch and Soul?
Mm-hmm.
All in one beauty 8 cream. Wait, is that it? I don't know. We'll just put it on you. Just if it's not it, then I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh yeah. You need to move your hair out the way.
I'm sorry.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think that's a lot on one side of the face.
I'm gonna be honest, it feels disgusting.
Oh yeah. Ew. Okay, close your eyes. Oh yeah.
Did you wash your hands before this?
I took a shower.
Yeah, 6 hours ago.
And I ate a donut. God, you're gonna look so flawless. Okay, there. Why is this side so greasy, bro? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Does it feel gross?
It feels really good.
No, I think you said it felt gross.
It did with your fingers at first.
Essential High Coverage Creme Foundation.
What is the brand?
The brand is Joer. I don't know what it is, okay? Alright?
What is it?
I don't know. Hey. God, you guys hate me. Oh. Oh, wait, no.
Hey, at least you learned one thing from me.
Well, every time you see those videos, they're like, oh my god, I can't, what are you doing? You're supposed to pat not smear. Hey, you know what? I don't know this is first, but it's coming along great.
Does it look good?
No.
But I thought you said it looks great.
Yeah, not yet. Oh shit, I think I might put a... Dang, I put a lot, bro. Close your eye.
Is that how you do it?
I think so. I don't know. It's not that bad.
It's not?
Yeah, it is.
I don't get to see what I look like until the end.
Oh, that's great. You look great.
I look great?
You look great.
You think I'm beautiful?
I think you're beautiful. I think you're beautiful.
Okay.
But from now on, we'll just stick to you doing makeup.
Okay. Can I do your makeup next?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think? Full coverage? Does my skin look good?
No.
Oh.
I'm very OCD. I need everything to be covered. I got it on your lip. How do I get that off?
I can't really see myself in this viewfinder, so I'm just gonna assume that I look good right now. Is it really flawless?
You know what? If you don't really pay attention to it, yeah.
Yeah. We're doing eyeliner next?
No, stop pressuring me.
I was just wondering.
I'm gonna do it my way.
Okay, do it your way.
Okay, you need to stop moving.
I won't move.
Okay.
Is anything happening?
Hold on. Oh no. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Oh no. Here, we'll give you a little wing.
Okay. How does it look? How does it look?
It looks great. Okay, don't move. How do you... Okay, stop. Stop!
Do you have to put your arm around me?
Yes. Or else it won't get on right. Oh.
What?
Nothing, you're fine. Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Oh, too dark. Wait, actually, let's see. Yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah, you're beautiful. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but actually, it's just like coloring, isn't it? Oh god.
Does it look good?
Okay, don't move. Stop laughing, please. Do you want to be angry?
Do I want to be angry?
Yeah.
Why?
Do you want to have an angry look?
Do I want to have an angry look?
Yeah, I can raise your eyebrow.
Okay, yeah, raise my eyebrow.
Okay, hold on, stop.
Do I look angry?
Okay, no, you're...
Do I? I didn't know that you could change your expression with your eyebrows.
You can.
Do I look angry?
No, you look kind of scary. Oh, you look kind of scary. It's okay though, we'll fix it.
Okay.
Everything's fixable. I kind of want to do your lips next.
Do it.
Okay, let's do your lips. Is this for the nails? Oh, hey. Lip paint. Yeah, let's try this. Fenty Beauty. Oh no. Okay, hold on, I got you. This is really difficult. Okay. You're going to look ravishing. Absolutely ravishing. Is this like a... Can it be like a Halloween party?
Hmm?
Can it be like a Halloween party, you know, doing your makeup?
No, I'm going to a really big event.
Are you?
I love a red lip.
I know, I do too. So seductive. Okay, move. I need you to look up, darling. Oh yeah.
Do I look good?
Yes. Don't look at the mirror.
I won't.
It has to be a surprise. Okay, what else do I need to do? Dang, you look great.
Thanks, baby.
Okay, this is Milani.
Mm-hmm.
2-in-1 foundation plus concealer.
Mm-hmm.
Creamy vanilla.
Mm.
You know what, we'll just use the same one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
Yeah, why not? Oh yeah.
Where does that go?
That goes on your face, right?
What are you doing right now?
I'm smearing it, you know, so it can like cover more surface area, and that way I like put it on your face and like. I'm sorry. Yes, I love it.
Love it?
I love it. Okay, hold on. This is MacFix. Studio Fix. You're a BA6 color. Hey, look. It's a weird color. I've never heard of it.
Maybe the color is
Oh.
NC30.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, silly me.
You read the barcode.
Silly May. I was wondering why it was a weird color. Oh yeah.
What does this do?
You know what? I think it just brings it all together, you know?
Brings it all together.
It just brings it all together, you know? Like it just... Oh wait, no. How do you... I don't know. I've seen it in movies and then, you know, it's just like...
You've seen it in movies?
Yeah. You know, I get all my, my techniques from movies, you know?
What kind of movies?
You know, those movies. That movie, this movie, that one. Oh my gosh, you look so beautiful. Your mother's not going to recognize you.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Let's get some, oh yeah. Okay, I got it. Oh. Hold on, we need to let them see what I'm doing. You know, right now, you know, I like everything even, so. Oh, okay, that wasn't supposed to happen, but I think it's fixable. Okay, let me see. You know what? The top looks better than the bottom. That's fine though. So this is Bad Gal Bang, I guess, from Benefit. I mean, I wouldn't have chosen that name, but... Alright, let's see. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's see the other one. Okay, let's see. After applying makeup, shake bottle. Well, hold 8 to 10 inches away and mist face 2 to 4 times. And this is, this is from Urban Decay. All Nighter. It's a good name. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, there we go. Oh, actually I said 2 to 4 times, that was 3.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god. And then, I think that wraps. You know what? I think that's it.
That's it?
I think so.
You like it?
Yeah.
Can I look at it now? Okay, I'm gonna look at it now. Ready? Why are you moving away from me?
Okay.
Wow! Wow.
Well, hold on. I need to fix your eyebrows.
What more can you do?
Well, I kind of like see like this. It's not dark enough, so I need to make it darker. Here.
Hey, my skin is good.
Is it?
You did a very good job on my foundation.
Thank you. Okay.
What happened with the liner?
What liner?
Why is it at the bottom?
Oh, I know. It's, you know, you were moving, so...
I was moving.
Yeah, so I couldn't really... I'm sorry.
I love the red.
I know.
Kind of look like the choker.
I was going for that, so that's why I was asking if you could do a Halloween thing. Because you really look like the Joker.
No, but babe, you did really good on my skin. I should mix those two foundations together.
Hey! I need to fix... No, actually, no, you're fine.
Oh, I see the angry thing.
Yeah. I couldn't really do it. You know?
Yeah. What did you want to do more?
I was gonna make them darker, but I think they're fine.
No, I think they're fine too. I really see the angriness.
Right? I wanted to do both, but I couldn't. I was like, yeah.
You look angry?
Yeah. No,
You did a good job. I'm
just-
very impressed. You did miss blush and highlight and bronzer.
I was gonna do bronzer, but I
Yeah,
decided.
blush, highlight, and bronzer.
Dang it, I was close.
Oh, mascara's not bad. No lashes?
Lashes would have been.
And no eyeshadow?
Oh, okay, let's do eyeshadow.
Okay.
This is the back top. Sassy. This is the back top by Urban Decay palette. Yeah. We're going to give you the color shade on here.
Okay.
It's kind of like it's like a purple.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I think it'll look very beautiful with your skin tone.
Okay.
Yeah. This looks. Oh, okay, yeah, that's good. It looks very ravishing.
It's a pretty color though.
It is, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, and by the way, these are nipple covers.
Oh, I knew it!
I was hoping
it.
you would use nipple covers.
No, I knew it.
Okay, friends, that is it for today's video. If you are interested
Oh my God, you look so scary on screen.
If you are interested in getting your makeup done by Carlos, make sure you check the description bar down below. I will leave the contact information down below for you guys. How much do you usually charge for a face?
Oh, you know what? For you, darling, I'm going to give it to you free because it was my first time.
For free?
Yes. No, let's not kiss. Let's not kiss.
Oh,
Let's not kiss.
For free?
No. No.
I will see you guys in my next video. As always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of this look was. I would love to hear what your opinion is on this look. And don't forget to subscribe and I already said subscribe. Comment and like this video and
You look fine. Well, you look okay.
I'll see you in the next one.
You look so scary on the screen though.
Bye, my loves.
Bye.